All right, with a massive backlog of cases in Sedgwick County, one private attorney is now taking on 150 life sentence cases in court. Now, this points to what some are calling a crisis in the public defender arena. KSN's Jessica Watson here to explain. Jess.
Yeah, Craig, the state has a system for the excessive amount of cases. Public defense attorneys currently each have about 10 cases that match how much experience they have. Once they can't take any more, the conflict's public defender's office will take those cases. But if they can't, it goes to a private panel. The private panel consists of private attorneys that are willing to work on those kind of cases at a discounted rate. Private attorneys like Mark Sievert, who have a lot on their plate.
It's obviously an awful lot of work, but that's okay. I enjoy practicing law, but it does, I'm putting in a lot of hours right at the moment, and we certainly, can use some additional help.
150 life sentence cases plus several other upper-level cases. Sievert says he has more than 200 active cases.
When you're doing court-appointed work, you're generally being compensated at about a third of what you normally would be charging.
But in order to prevent large turnover, the chief public defender of the Sedgwick County Public Defenders says new public defenders cannot have too many cases.
My colleagues put it best when he said it's like we're trying to empty the ocean with a teaspoon. Yeah, I mean, that's looking down the road. We certainly have our eye on that issue.
For years, the executive director of the Kansas State Board of Indigence has been pushing for legislatures to increase the pay for public defenders to fill openings and retain attorneys.
To move fast enough in order to address the problem before we get to a place where, where at some point there's going to be a client who is charged with a very serious felony in court without an attorney standing next to them.
Some of the prosecutors may disagree with me, but I would submit that there are cases pending that will be dismissed because of constitutional speedy trial violations, and certainly cases that should be dismissed because of that.
Cessna says along with pushing for higher wages for her attorneys, she's asking legislatures to change the private attorney cost from $100 an hour to $125. She hopes that these changes will happen this session. Here for you, Jessica Watson, KSN News 3.